What's up, guys? Got one more box for you today. 2008 SP Rookie Threads. I'm going to show you the box number just in case. Box number 11. And I'm going to use a pen to break it open here. Alright. After that press pass break, not really pressured in this box. Don't need a big autograph in every pack anymore, so if it would open, okay. Hold on a second. I'm putting the camera down a little bit more here. Okay. Sorry you can't see the box. Alright. Pack 1. Wow, letter right off the bat. What should I do? I think I'm going to save it. So one letterman already done. This is really thick. This has 2 bricks in it. So I'm going to save that one too. Because that might be one of the lettermans and something else. Okay. Man, everything's thick. Okay. Aaron Ross. There's probably a base card in the back. Yes, it is. Jericho Cotchery. And now, finally, the hits. Wow. Big hit right here. Kenny Irons. Number to 200. A close-up. 76 to 200. Dual jersey. Dual jersey. Devin Thomas and Malcolm Kelly. And there should be an autograph in the back here. Wow, sweet. My second one of this actual card. Calvin Johnson, number to 304. Nice wide receiver auto to get. Okay, next pack here. Nice. Right in the back. Matt Ryan something. Can't beat that. Alright. Maurice Jones-Drew. Wow, sweet. 3-color, 2-color patch of Earl Bennett. Nice. Number 299. 89 of 99. It's hard to see that. And Matt Ryan, jumbo jersey. Wow, this is a nice box too. Number to 175. There we go. So great first 2 packs. Alright. Next pack here. Alright, take the base card off the back. D'Amico Ryans. Oh, this might be the letterman. Wow. I have to save it, I'm sorry. So I'm flabbergasted at this now. Everything's thick. Maybe it's just me. Sean Merriman. Nice. Dual jersey of Jamal Charles. Number to 135. Dual jersey number to 75 of Malcolm Kelly. And even though he is not the best player, this is a PC. I know this card already. Seen it in a couple breaks. When I saw James Hardy, I knew it was this card. Lima Sweet and James Hardy dual auto. Number to 299. And there's a base card stuck to the back. Ocho. So I don't know which pack to do first, because I might have gotten 3 lettermens or something. I don't know. We'll just do this one now. Okay. Greg Jennings, Tony Romo. Okay, there's the letterman. Seahawks. Number to 42, Lawrence Jackson from USC. There's number 42. Jake Long. Dual jersey, number to 77. And Chad Henne auto, sweet. Michigan guy, number to 180. This is a sick box. This is unreal, in my opinion. I might be overreacting, but D'Angelo Hall base, Anquan Bolden base. I think that's another base. Yeah, Reggie Wayne, and a nice Kenny Phillips from Miami, number 32. So I believe I got 3 lettermens, which I've never seen. John David Booty, number to 50, 10 to 50, which I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think 10 was his college jersey number. So, nice box. I can't really complain. So, if you're interested in any of these cards, let me know, and see you guys later. Peace.